We're on the record in cause number 325814, State of Texas versus Tracoby Jackson. Mr. Jackson, you may put your video and your mic on. Okay, Mr. Jackson is appearing via Zoom. How are you doing, Mr. Jackson?
I'm doing fine.
Okay. And Mr. Jackson, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Dustin Galmore. Mr. Galmore, how are you doing?
I'm great, Your Honor. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Galmore, Mr. Jackson's case is on the court's announcement docket. Do you have an announcement that you'd like to make for the court?
I do, Your Honor. We're asking the court to reset the case for approximately 4 weeks, and we're going to resolve it next time we come in.
Okay, so we can keep it on the announcement docket.
Yes, Judge.
What date do we have? Okay, it's going to be reset to May 5th.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, and Mr. Jackson,
Yes.
stay in contact with your attorney. The notice of the reset will be sent to your attorney, and this will conclude your case. You're excused, and you have a blessed day.
All right, you too, Your Honor.
We're on the record in cause number 325050 and cause number 325052. Both cases are styled the State of Texas versus Frederick Moe. Mr. Moe, you may turn on your mic and your camera. Okay, Mr. Moe is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Moe, how are you doing?
Doing good, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. And Mr. Galmore, you represent Mr. Moe. Do you have an announcement for the court in Mr. Moe's cases?
Yes, Your Honor. We haven't completed the discovery process, so we do need another announcement date.
Okay, we'll reset it for announcement so that you'll get complete discovery. What is that date? Okay, that date is going to be May 5th. Mr. Moe, please stay in contact with your attorney. Your case is going to be reset to May 5th of 2021. And this will conclude your cases. You may be excused and have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
All right, thank you. We're on the record in cause number 327528. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Jacob DeQueer. Mr. DeQueer, you may turn on your mic and your video. Okay, Mr. DeQueer, how are you doing?
Good today. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Mr. DeQueer is appearing via Zoom. He is here with his attorney, who's also appearing via Zoom, Mr. Galmore. Mr. Galmore, do you have an announcement in Mr. DeQueer's case?
Yes, Your Honor. We have some things in discovery that we still need to get that are apparently were not provided to the state. And so we're going to need a little bit more time to make a request for that.
Okay, how much time do you need?
Just another regular resetting.
Okay, it's going to be reset to May 5th of 2021. Mr. DeQueer, please stay in contact with your attorney. Your case is going to be reset to May 5th of 2021. This will conclude your case. You are excused and have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Galmore, I think you have Chantel Turner.
I don't see her either, Judge. I'm just going to turn myself off, and I'm going to see what I can do to locate her real quick.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
We're on the record in cause number 327658, the State of Texas versus Edward Jimenez. Mr. Bailey, could you please call Edward Jimenez? Mr. Jimenez, you may come forward. Stand on the exit. Now, your name is Edward Jimenez?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Jimenez?
Well, feel so bad.
Okay,
I mean, I'm like being accused of something that I don't even know.
okay, Mr. Jimenez, you are represented here by your attorney, Mr. Jared Gilthorpe.
Sir.
And Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing? Mr. Gilthorpe, you have an announcement for the court?
Judge, I think we're trying to resolve that case right now. If we could just hold on it for just a little bit.
Or you just want me to hold today?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, we'll hold. Okay. Mr. Jimenez, you can just go have a seat outside of the courtroom and we'll call your case back.